Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another very profitable weekly Forex forecast from Kingmaker Trading. My name is Sankar. This is the weekly Forex forecast for 26th to 30th of August 2019. So let's get started. So first, let's look at my last week's weekly predictions and how they played out. This was the first trade that I posted here last week, that is on euro dollar. As you can see, this is how that played out. We got about 86 pips of profit out of the euro dollar last week. As you can see, there is something special at this point. If you see that this profit was solely made from last Friday, so we did not get any profits out of the market until the last moments of last Friday. Okay, keep that in mind, guys. So this is the second trade that I pointed out last week, that is on pound yen, and this is how that played out. We got about 109 pips of profit out of the pound yen market last week, and we've been filled of two profit targets of this pattern. And this is the final trade that I posted last week, that is on gold dollar, and this is how that played out. I expected the movement to the upside from this point, but we did not get that movement. Instead, market broke and closed below this trend line, but it made a nice Gartley pattern at this point, and again a nice butterfly pattern, a smaller butterfly pattern, and then it took off to the upside. I posted this trade on TradingView, but I could not post that on YouTube. Sorry for that, guys. I'm busy. I'm a little busy these days. So after this month, I will post updates of my weekly analysis throughout the week, so you guys can take the most out of my weekly analysis. Alright, for now, we got about 327 pips of profit from the gold dollar last week, and altogether we got 522 pips of profit out of the market last week. But as you can see, this trade was also gave profit in last Friday. Until the last moments of last Friday, we did not get any type of profit from the trades that we took. But because we stick to our trading plan, and because I have written rules for trading, and because I have the discipline to stick to my plan no matter what, I got this 327 pips of profit out of the market. So how do you develop that kind of certainty and knowledge and discipline to trade profitable in the market? That can only be achieved by gaining knowledge about market and consistently using them. So consistently using the knowledge that you have is completely up to you. I can't help you in that sector, but what I can help you with is by giving you the knowledge that you will be needing in order to be profitable in Forex trading. So that is why, guys, that I wrote this book for you, The Hidden Treasure of Trading, Ultimate Guide for Profitable Pattern Trading. So this book has everything that you will be needing in order to be profitable in the Forex market. So this is the table of contents of this book. As you can see, it starts from Introduction to Pattern Trading, and it systematically takes you into advanced pattern trading, and this is a step-by-step process, guys. So as you can see, this book contains everything that I use in order to be profitable in the market, in order to trade profitably in the market. So if you are an action taker, if you want to take your trading from consistently losing money to consistently profitable, you got to check out this book, guys. So, because I am the author of this book, I'm giving you a deal that you wouldn't find anywhere else. So, use the coupon code King Trader at the checkout for this book if you want a huge discount for this purchase. So, if you are interested in this book, check out the this book by clicking the first link in the description or the link in the comment box. I will put a link in the comment section as well. So check out this, guys, and take your trading journey into the next level. So that is it about this book, and let's now move on to our this week's weekly predictions. So this is the first trade that we are going to be looking at this week, that is on euro dollar. And as you can see, firstly we had this huge butterfly pattern, and then we had this little godly pattern, and we are half of the way through the movement. So what do I expect at this this point in the market is a movement to the upside until this green line, which is 1.13266 structure level. Either it happens directly or it happens like this, a retracement to the downside, then a movement to the upside. So either way, this is the movement that I expect out of the market this week from euro dollar. And our next stop for this week is at pound yen. Alright, let me jump into the 1 hour chart of pound yen here, because we have something interesting going on in pound yen pair this week. So guys, here we go. This is the pattern, this is the butterfly pattern that we took advantage of last week. This pattern I posted on YouTube, but these patterns I did not post last week. But as you can see, this I'm sorry. Alright. After forming this butterfly pattern, market made another 2 pattern trading opportunities in this market. Alright, in this pair. So first, as you can see, after the forming of this butterfly pattern, this godly buy pattern was formed, and it was also a nice profitable pattern, as you can see. Then this nice flag pattern formed, and as you can see, the profit targets of this pattern has also been reached in pound yen. So last week was a very profitable week. Most of the profits we got from this pound yen pair, but I could not post them on YouTube too. So from next month I will try to update my trades and update the status of the pairs that I'm looking at throughout the week. So for this month I can't do that because I am a little busy this month. Alright. So this is the pattern that we are going to be looking at this week. That's a godly pattern if you don't know, and I'm expecting a movement to the upside from this point. This movement I'm expecting until 130.334 structure level. So either this movement happens like this, or this market pushes down to this pointed out, this highlighted area, and then takes moves to the upside. Or if I'm sorry, so if this market moves anything lower than this point, this 128.798 structure level, so then this godly pattern will be violated. But if this market moves anything lower than that, there is a possibility of a potential butterfly pattern. So either this market makes a movement like this, or if it pushes down to this highlighted, this lower highlighted area, Then I'm expecting a movement to the upside because it would create a nice butterfly pattern trading opportunity like this. Alright, that is what I'm looking at this week on pound yen. And our next stop for this week is at gold dollar. Alright, okay, let me jump into the 4-hour time frame here. Okay, sorry about the slow internet connection, guys. Alright, so this green line here is the most nearest structure level that we are looking at in gold dollar, that is 1554.53 structure level. As you can see, we recently had a breakout from this nice breakout pattern. This is a combined breakout pattern. If you don't know, you would learn everything including these type of patterns in the hidden treasure of trading, my book. So go check that out again if you want to become a profitable trader. All right, so what I'm expecting out of this pair this week is a movement to the upside, either like this or a retracement to the downside and then a movement to the upside until this 1554.53 structure level. Alright guys, then I'm giving you two more analysis of two more pairs this week. Consider that a gift from me because I normally post 3 trading ideas on YouTube, but this week I'm posting 5. So our next stop is at Euro Canada. Alright, this is a nice godly sell pattern formed in Euro Canada. So if I drop down a time frame and go to the 1-hour time frame here, 1-hour chart, as you can see, the first profit objective of the pattern has already been reached in the market in this pair. So what I'm expecting is a movement to the upside like this, then a movement to the downside until this 1.47366 structure level, or directly a movement to the downside. Either way, I'm expecting a bearish movement out of the Euro Canada as a whole in this week. Alright, the 5th pair for this week is Canadian yen pair. Alright, so guys, this is a nice butterfly buy pattern formation in Canadian yen. So as you can see, this pattern has just been completed, so I'm expecting a movement to the upside like this. Maybe this market will push to the downside and test this pattern completion point again and take off to the upside until this 80.180 structure level. Alright, but guys, be a little bit patient with this Canadian yen pair. As you can see, this candle was huge, so that indicates very high momentum to the downside in this Canadian yen pair. So be patient with this pair if you are taking these trades. So that is the weekly analysis for this week. So if you made it to the end, like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to this channel for more future content like this. See you in the next video. You're gonna be an amazing trader.